Hey everybody, so we're gonna unbox an item I picked up from eBay. I got a brand new 2000 Toyota 4Runner part, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, how's it going? So, I already cut the tape off the box. It was very well taped. I did a video previously where I got a vapor pressure sensor as well as a used charcoal canister. That charcoal canister I got for $100, and the vapor pressure sensor was like $20. Those are spares. This is going to be the brand new in-box charcoal canister. This is the one that I'm going to be installing in the truck to replace the bad one. This one is new in-box OEM. Just happened that, from what I found out, is that a lot of Toyota and certain other places, they will when they're overstocked, they will sell to other companies, and it just happens that this eBay seller buys a lot of OEM Lexus and Toyota parts. It says Lexus and Toyota on the box. Lexus genuine parts, Toyota genuine parts. Part number for this canister assembly is 77740-35392. It is the exact part number that Toyota gave me, because I was shopping around. Napa wanted $500 something for this canister. Toyota wanted $307 for the canister, and I got this canister brand new in box for $260. And the other canister that I'm keeping as a spare, it only had, I think, 20,000 miles on it before the vehicle was wrecked. And that canister is going to be the spare. So, here's the canister. Everything looks new. All the sensors look new. Everything on the back looks good. 77740-35392. FUTABA 0C11. It's a nice canister. Definitely doesn't look like it's been used. So I'm going to be installing this on the vehicle. I do not know if you guys even want to see the install. It's pretty much 3 bolts, one here, these 2 wings right here, and you take it out, put the new one in, and then line all the hoses up. It's not really that extensive, but let me know in the description if you guys want to see it. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. And give me 1 second real quick. put the paper somewhere. I don't know where I put the paper, guys. They had a paper with some information on it. I'll have to do another video on it. What I'll do is I'll find that paper and I'll record an extra video on that specifically. I'll bring you guys back on a separate video. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you for sticking around, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.